So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding what is z-index. So let's understand that. So basically z-index is used when you want an element to come over the other element when we have given them the position. Because when we set position, for example, if I set position here, let's say absolute, and remember z-index won't work if the position is static. Let's give them position absolute, and you know that if there is no parent element, then absolute will take top left bottom right of the browser's window, not the containers window. Now you can see the box 3 is coming at the top. Why is that? Because the default behavior is that the most recent element has the highest index or highest z index. So this is the most recent, or the last item which has the position. So this is having the highest z index. That's why the higher the z index, the item will come on the top of the other elements. Then this item is there, and then this item is there. But if I give them the position, let's say if I give the left gap uh, 50 pixel and top gap of 50 pixel, if I do that, now you can see this one is having box 2 is having the gap, and if I increase the gap now for this one as well, so let's say left 50 pixel but top 100 pixel. If I do this, now you can see this one is also having the gap. I can increase that so we can differentiate between all of them. I can increase this one as well. You can see that box, the blue box, which is the box 1, and box 2, and then box 3. The box 1 is having the lowest index by default because it is in the backside of the other elements which are having position property, and this box 2 is having the second highest index, and this is having the highest index. So we can change the z-index of all these elements by adding z-index property. So for example, if you want this box 2 or like box 1 to come at the top, then you can specify the z-index larger than the other ones. So the blue ones, right? So we can increase the z-index of blue to, let's say, 9. So it should be more than the other ones, then it will come at the top. So I've given it 9. 9 is any number you can give, but make sure it is larger than the z index of this. By default they have the 1 z index, but if we increase that to 9, then that is very higher. So if I give 9 here, then the box 1 will come at the top because this one is having the z index higher than the both of them. That's why this one is coming at the top. But now if I increase the z index in this pink box to larger than this z index of 9, let's say if I increase that z index to let's say 11 or 10, anything. So 10 is larger than this 9, so this pink box will come at the top. Similarly, I can make this green box on the top by giving the z index once again. So this is how you use z-index property when you want any positioned item to come over the other ones. Then you'll be using z-index. The higher the z-index, the item will come at the top. So this is it for this video. I hope you got something about z-index. Let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.